There's something really dangerous happening in the crypto space that I think you should know about it. Welcome to my channel. My name is Boof and this is Crypto Vagabonds. And if you like to be notified about the dangers or the warnings or the headlines that affect the crypto space, geopolitical space, economical space, and the financial macro world, please consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification bell. So let's go straight into the video. AI-focused blockchain Crypto GPT raises 10 million in funding and is being evaluated at 250 million, which is a quarter of a billion. Now, this headline seems to be very innocent, but what I did not like and really rang my alarm bell was Crypto GPT, because of course there is Chat GPT, and some people may think that this is connected to Chat GPT. The main warning I want to give to you, it is not connected to Chat GPT. This is a marketing trick that the website is using to get your attention. As you see here, Crypto GPT on the side, English flag, AI revolution for billions of users. I don't like when they start to say things like that, promising a lot of gains or inflating numbers. Of course, they have NFT, why not? Again, I could be totally wrong. Maybe it's a great project, but it doesn't sound like that to me. I think it's a marketing campaign, and I say, okay, congratulations, you create this project. But here's where it starts concerning even more. 1.3 trillion on Google, 500 billion on Meta, which is of course Facebook, 1 trillion Amazon business. So they're inflating numbers and they're making you think that this is the greatest opportunity on a bear market. We're about a recession. I don't like when websites start to promote large numbers and there's no explanation on how they want to achieve all these things. There's a roadmap, but no explanation on how this is going to be done. The team is just 6 people. There's a lot of promises for just 6 people to deliver. I could be totally wrong. I could be making a video in the future saying I was wrong about this, but I much rather be wrong on warnings than to not have the warning and you guys think that this is connected to ChatGPT. It is not. So I'm going to leave it for here. I'm not going to talk much more. I'm going to investigate further this company or this project. If you'd like to find out more about my investigation, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and click the notification bell. And I see you in the next video. And again, remember, no tax, no financial advice. I just think I should give you a heads up. This looks too good to be true, and most likely it is. So this is it for now. See you on the next video. Thank you.